In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Mount Airy Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mount Airy Primary and Bible knowledge. In the parable of the talents, how many talents in total were handed out?
8.
That's right. St. Catherine, in the parable of the talents, what did the person who received 1 talent do with it?
Bury it.
That's correct. Local affairs, it's a visual. Mount Airy, look at the monitor and identify this member of parliament.
Andrew Wheatley.
That's correct. St. Catherine, look at the monitor and identify this senator.
Peter Bunting.
That's right. Science, Mount Airy, the human body has 306 bones. Is this statement true or false?
False.
That's correct. It is false. It's 206. Science, St. Catherine, the largest internal organ of the human body is the skin. Is this statement true or false?
False.
Correct. It is false. It is the liver. Television, it's a visual. Mount Airy, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Debbie Bissoon.
That's right. St. Catherine, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Garth Williams.
That's correct. English language, Mount Airy. Form a noun from the verb to die.
Death.
Correct. St. Catherine, form a noun from the verb to grieve.
Grieve.
Repeat for me, please.
Grieve.
Incorrect, it's grief or grievance. Mount Airy, sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Rashawn Clark.
Incorrect, it's Taekwondo Tracy, Jamaican athlete. St. Catherine, sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Noah Lyles.
Incorrect, it's Kerry McLeod, Jamaican athlete. General knowledge, Mount Airy. Of which South American country is Asuncion the capital?
Paraguay.
That's correct. St. Catherine, of which South American country is Montevideo the capital?
Uruguay.
That's right. Social studies, Mount Airy. In which town in Hanover was the Jamaican national hero, Sir Alexander Bustamante, born?
Blenheim.
Correct. Social studies, St. Catherine. In which town in Manchester was the Jamaican national hero, Norman Washington Manley, born?
Roxborough.
That's right. Music, Mount Airy. To which specific family of instruments does the flute belong?
Woodwind.
Correct. St. Catherine. To which family of instruments does the triangle belong?
Percussion.
That's right. Mathematics, Mount Airy. What is the value of x if 13x minus 13 equals 39?
4.
Correct. St. Catherine, what is the value of n if 8n minus 60 equals 44?
104.
Incorrect. It's 13. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Mount Airy Primary on 9 and St. Catherine Prep on 7. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Avoid too much sugary drink while at school. Try to drink lots of water to stay hydrated. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.